Rainy, rainy day cleanup. Uh, yeah, rainy day cleanup. Yeah, there's only one take. It's not like I'm gonna cut and redo it. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, as you can see, the place is like really. Oop. Oh my gosh. Oh, shoot. Got the microphone on. Okay, so yeah, the place is really messy. Yeah, that's okay. It's raining. Nothing better to do anyway. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of wine here. It's gonna go, a couple of glasses of wine every day, or helps. Got those phentamines or phenols or whatever it is. There you go. Just 2 glasses of this every day. I'm all set. Oh yeah. Yeah, this will get me in the clean mood. At least make me care less. But I forgot to set the timer. Shit. Yeah, this shit. I'm only supposed to be doing this for like 15 minutes at a time. There you go. Yeah, I could give you a technical reason, but I don't think anybody could really take more than 15 minutes. Oh, anyway, yeah, and the funny thing too is that sometimes they get up to 100 hits, right? None of them. And all the hits, I don't know any of those people too, and I think it's like Saudi Arabia. Okay, yeah, wine time. Oh yeah, oh, it's so good. Oh, Cabernet Sauvignon. Oh, it hits the spot. Yeah, I gotta buy it in the box. It's much easier to carry. There we go. Oh yeah. Really recommend it. It's a good buy. And of course a church mouse, and I'm buying boxes of Almaden, so I'm sure anybody else can too. Okay. Anyway, I get the animal set on the camera. Basically, because I'm basically cut off from the world over here. I said it was the closest I could come to like spending time with all my friends around. Oh shoot! Wait, am I recording? Okay. Uh-oh. Seem to have a technical problem over on the Ustream server side there. They're, God darn, always something. Okay, well, this camera's recording. See what we got here. Yeah, I think we're recording. Oh, close enough. Either way, there's like a recording. Something's being recorded. Shoot. I got the camera rolling too, I just link the video right next to it. I mean, it's not like professional production. Oh yeah, and remember, folks, this live show is not the same as what I'm trying to do professionally here. Unless you want to hire me to do something live, which I could do really, really well. Oh, goody. Let's see, mail for Shenda. Girl hasn't lived here in a long time. Oh, good lord. Okay. I gotta face it. I gotta clean. Ooh, Cosmopolitan. Ooh, it's got Who's that? Richards girl. Denise Richards. Denise Richards. What's his name? You know, the guy in Two and a Half Men. My hero, right? You know, same lifestyle. A lot less hookers, though. I think about 1/10 of the hookers. Anyway, I don't actually buy any hookers. They just sort of like come around sometimes. Jeez, what a mess. Anyway, I gotta turn the camera over this way, I guess. Squeakers, what are you doing? I hope you're not eating wires. No, actually, I hope you are. Fine. Fry you right up. Make stuff a little skizzled hamster. I saw pictures of roast guinea pigs in South America. Oh, actually, they look delicious. You hear that, Squeakers? You're delicious golden brown when you're cooked. Did you know that? Yeah, it's true. Hey, you look at me that way. Yeah, Squeaker's acting extra psychotic lately. Oh boy, here we go. We got some socks. We gotta clean for real too. This is ridiculous. Haven't had anybody around here for a while. I actually do clean up pretty well myself. Just except when nobody's around. So, these Squeakers want a sock? Yeah, here, smell my sock. Yeah, you like my sock, don't you? Yeah, wrap it around your head. That's what you want. Oh my God. Yeah, there's my other wine glass. And everything else. Oh my God. Yeah, but, well, it's a thrifty life, but you know, it's a happy life. So what can I say? I can mix it better. What are you doing, Mr. Squeakers? Good Lord. I think he wants a cucumber. I'm gonna go get him a cucumber. Time to get on the timer anyway. Yeah, who cares? I can always just cut it in it. It's not like anybody's really watching right now anyway. And you people that do watch it, I don't even know who you people are. I mean, literally, nobody I know actually watches. How do you know my Facebook friends and all? Yeah, but they suck anyway. Yeah, maybe one or two of them might drop by for a few seconds. You know, busy lives. Busy. I used to have busy life with them. They always used to be. But I'll be back in the race again. Squeakers! Get in a little cucumber here. Come on. Squeakers, come on. Alright. Everybody at home sees it. Do you see? Squeakers, come on. Yeah, you can't even see it. I can see it close enough. Squeakers, come on. Come on. Squeakers, I get you a cucumber. Yeah, come on. Cucumber. Come on. Cucumber. Oh, okay. I can't say cucumber is squeakinese. Yeah, that's good. I just toss it to him. Here. Yeah. What are you looking for, Squeakers? Want more Selby, don't you? Yeah, I don't have any more money for Selby right now. new business partner supposed to help me out. Yeah. That's okay. I'll cope. Super duper. A super cucumber. I want to have macaroni and cheese for dinner tonight. Sounds delicious. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god. Clothes need folded. Laundry. You are my voodoo child. My voodoo child. Do 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 do. That's too. I don't have my other video interface. I got one I can play music and we can all listen to. We can all like sing and dance together. Yay! Ooh. Yeah, this particular channel, it's all about singing and dancing. I do magic tricks too. We'll see though. It takes practice. I mean, it takes rehearsal. Okay. I'm a stage magician, by the way, but oh my god, it takes so much work. Yeah, because you've never seen a magician make a mistake. There's a reason for that. Okay. Yeah. Well, you'll never see me do any up close thing, but I'll probably do if I do anything, it'd be on camera, real time type stuff. Okay. Junk here. Sorry. I'm just having a girl around. So do this. Cover a second. Oh my gosh. Look at all this mess. Well, at least it's getting clean now. Oh, look at this. We're almost out of time too. Yeah. That's it for now. That's it for our evening visit. But later on tonight, it was Thursday night. I think it's gonna run the recorder again. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for dropping by. Sorry, you guys gotta go. I gotta clean up now. Alright.